Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. BJP-MGP alliance on the verge of breaking. Clip Sudin's wings demand BJP MLAs. Chief Minister says alliance will stay. State Forest Department unaware about Tiger Conservation Authority and Dehradun Wildlife Institute of India's report inferring 5 tigers in Goa. Two suspected cases of swine flu reported in Goa, confirms Health Minister. Both patients had travelled from abroad. Few home guards plan to boycott Republic Day parade, reluctant to participate as few didn't receive their remittances since recruitment. And Goa surrender 100% winning record as Chandigarh score late winner in National Sub-Junior Football. Semi-final opponent to be decided on last day of group phase on Thursday. Now the news in detail. BJP and MGP alliance may come to an end soon. BJP MLAs are annoyed with Davlikar brothers for interfering in BJP-led constituencies. Sources say that peeved BJP MLAs complained that Sudin is planning strategies to strengthen MGP in the state at the cost of portfolios allotted to him by the BJP. Now, core committee of the BJP has decided to clip wings of Sudin in coming days. Chief Minister, however, is confident about the alliance lasting till 2017.
तुम्ही आमदार बीजेपीचेरूच एमजीपीचेरूच बेजार आसात हे कित्याक विचारता आमदार मंत्र्याच्या फंक्शनिंगाचेर खूश आसात काय एक मंत्री दुसऱ्या मंत्र्याच्या फंक्शनिंगाचेर खूश आसा काय मंत्री आणि आमदार मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या परफॉर्मन्साचेर खूश आसात का कितें पार्टी आमदाराच्या मंत्र्याच्या आणि मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या परफॉर्मन्साचेर खूश आसा का कितें हे सगळेच गोष्टी चर्चेक आयल्यो
मुख्य प्रश्न उरलात आता एकूच सांगा आमकां 2017 पर्यंत ही अलायन्स रावतले काय रावचे ना रावतले.
First Chintan Baitak, then core committees meeting followed by a meeting with Goa Vikas Party Supremo Miki Pacheco. All these developments indicate that BJP is seriously rethinking about the alliance with the MGP. BJP MLAs have criticized the MGP MLAs' working style in Chintan Baitak. BJP MLAs complain that Sudin uses his portfolios to work against BJP ministers. Sudin wants to strengthen his base in BJP-led constituencies using his PWD portfolio. Time to take Sudin at task, clip his wings. Sudin will be troublesome for BJP in assembly poll and if needed, break alliance with the MGP. The members of BJP's core committee are also of the same opinion, but Miki Pacheco has to be strongly in support of BJP to maintain stability of the government. Sources say taking all these aspects into consideration, BJP is planning their further course of action. Sources say maybe BJP will get MGP out of ruling dispensation, ensure stability of government even after end of alliance, take away Sudin's important portfolios initially and get Davlikar brothers out of the cabinet later. However, there is a difference of opinion over when the decision should be taken. There are varied opinions on whether the move should be implemented before or after the Panji by-election. Bureau Report, Prudent.
National Tiger Conservation Authority and Dehradun Wildlife Institute of India's report infers 5 tigers in Goa. This disclosure has panicked many on the state side while the wildlife activists are ecstatic. The study has used camera traps, cat DNA methods and data obtained from State Forest Department. The State Forest Department claims that it has not received any report from the Union Environment Ministry, nor has it submitted any kind of raw data for this tiger survey.
There are 5 tigers in Goa. The report submitted by the central government approved survey agency states it. Surprisingly, the State Forest Department claims no knowledge of this report, while wildlife activists fighting for tiger preservation feel motivated. Union Survey Agency had collected samples for tiger survey around 2 years back. Now, agencies have submitted their analysis report after 2 years. Look at the National Tiger Conservation Authority and Dehradun Wildlife Institute of India's report, which has been made public on its website on Tuesday. State Forest Department claims that they have not yet received the report. Report says there are 5 tigers in Goa. Neighbouring Karnataka Wildlife Sanctuary has 406 tigers, and Western Ghats from Gujarat to Kerala has 775 wildcats. Largest number of tigers are found in this stretch of forest. Survey agencies used camera traps, scat DNA and other latest technologies for collection of data on tigers. Besides this, agencies have incorporated data collected from State Forest Department on wildlife samples and tiger footprints and animal excreta. Looking at the samples collected, it is clear that survey has been collected right from the Netravadi to Mahavir up to Mahadai Wildlife Sanctuary. Scat DNA technology has been used in Mahadai Wildlife Sanctuary, while camera traps are used in Mahavir Netravadi stretch. Sample survey has been conducted at 105 different areas from Mahavir to Mahadai Sanctuary. Initial evidence cites that there are 7 tigers occupied beats. 315 sample trails were collected from these areas, from which 10 samples gave evidences of tiger. The Dehradun Wildlife Institute of India's report has concluded that these 10 samples are of 5 different tigers. According to the survey, tiger habitation is majorly found in Mahadai area inside Goa and densely along the border ghats areas of Goa, Karnataka. People at Mahadai, Netravadi and Khotigaon have confirmed of spotting striped tigers. Survey agency says there are 5 tigers in Goa, but state government is yet to accept the report for which its department has provided samples and data. Sources from State Forest Department claims they never gave any kind of tiger related data to Dehradun Wildlife Institute of India, while the report says it has. Goa government is awaiting Wildlife Conservation Society's survey, which will submit its report in 2017. Now all eyes are set on the Union Forest and Environment Ministry's move on the proposed tiger reserve and the Wildlife Conservation Society's take on this report.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
2 suspected cases of swine flu has been reported in Goa. Health Minister Francisco de Souza has confirmed this fact. Both of them are treated in private hospitals. One has completed treatment and is sent back, whereas another is undergoing treatment in Apollo. He is from Hong Kong. Both the patients had travelled from abroad to Goa.
We had a similar sort of a thing about 2 people. One is recovered, gone back home. One still is in ICU, I think, in
Where?
Amcha Modgaon Hospital.
Auspicio.
Private.
Victor.
Apollo, I think.
Goa has reported 2 cases, one of which has been treated and one is still undergoing medication.
As per my knowledge, means.
In terms of precautions,
they're slightly older people, I mean in the 70s, I think, as far as I know. And these people had come from, one had come from Hong Kong, I think.
okay.
But how it is confirmed that it's a swine flu?
Swine flu is just like another flu.
Okay.
You see, the number is number vegla. You see, it is just like any other common flu, but it lingers on a little more. For the antibiotics are a little different. But we have stocked the antibiotics in all.
Cases or else confirmed cases?
These are sort of suspected cases.
Not confirmed?
Not confirmed.
And what are we doing in terms of precautions?
Precautions we are stocking. This is the only precaution. Medication. We have enough stocks for treating. If at all I find a swine flu, we have got stocks. That much I have taken care of. Both JMC as well as the Director of Health Services, both have got stocks.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.